this video, let's see how to make a watermark for our YouTube channel. So you can see guys, I'm having here right here on my top left corner. So let's do that. File, new. So the width is 1920 pixels and the height is 1080 pixels and resolution 100, and you want to change white to transparent. Okay guys, so okay. So come on. So guys, before it comes, you should choose what you want to keep as the watermark. I'm keeping my channel's name, but I'm not going to give my channel's name. I'm going to give something else like subscribe. So I want to display it here in the middle. So first draw right. I'm choosing this DK Jumbo. SUBSCRIBE. Guys, given white, guys, will give some strokes gradient so the color will be changed. Okay, so adjust. Okay guys, so double click here, the text went here. First of all, I'll give strokes. See guys, yes, UBSCRIBE, subscribe. Okay guys, then give this one if you want. I'll give drop shadow, color overlay, gradient overlay, not color overlay, gradient overlay here. Yeah, I'll give this and I'll change this. Sorry. So now I'll change this to double click on the double click on this to choose color. So I'm giving saffron, white and green. Sorry guys, this orange, this is below, so I will give this only green and this is orange. You can adjust guys. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, as you can see here, subscribe, it's ready. Okay, now it's okay, I hope. And you can give drop shadow here, you can give spread. Okay, distance I'll give 14, size hope it's okay and okay. So now click here, move tool. 1 minute. Yeah, you can align. I'll keep it here. Okay guys, this is a watermark. So file, save as, change this to PNG because this is transparent. This PC, yeah, I'll save it here. Subscribe, water Okay, save. That's it, guys. Click on OK, and I'll show you. Yeah, guys, this is the one. So, guys, I didn't say one thing. If you want to keep here, write the text what you want and change like this, and opacity to 40 to 45. I'm giving as 42 or 45. It's okay. Or you can give above 47. It's for me. It's okay. 47. 47%. It's okay, guys. So that's it. And if you want to, sorry guys, if you want how to upload this watermark into your video, comment in the comment section below. I'll upload a video to how to add your watermark into a YouTube YouTube video. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment your suggestions. Okay, bye, guys.